Hi guys, today we'll show you how to turn off Amazon marketing push notifications. First, unlock your phone and open the Amazon app. Once Amazon is open, we can access the profile section from the bottom of the screen. Now look at the bottom left side of the screen and tap on the profile icon. Once you're in the profile section, look at the top right side for the settings option. Tap on the settings icon at the top right side. You'll see different options here. And we need to open the notification settings. Now look through the available options and tap on notifications. This will open the different notification options available in the Amazon app. Once the notification section is open, tap on Deals and Recommendations. You'll see different options related to these notifications. Now, check the options under Deals and Recommendations. If any of these options are enabled, disable them. This will turn off the Amazon marketing push notifications. And that's how you can turn off Amazon marketing push notifications. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe to Solution Lab and comment if you want more Amazon tutorials.